If you want to change language on Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to open the settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down and we need to find general management. We want to go over here, then you want to tap on the language option, and then you can choose to add new language. Then you can choose the language that you want to use on your phone. So let's say I'm gonna choose English over here. And if your language is used in different regions and there are, for example, different accents, and then you can also choose your country or region over here. Let's say I'm going to choose United Kingdom. You can keep the current language currently as it is, or you can just set the new language as the default one. So let's say I'm going to set as default, and then the language is going to be changed. You can also tap on Edit in the upper right corner in order to, for example, switch to the previous language. Generally speaking, the first language on this list is the one that is being used on your phone. Or what you can also do is you can select the old language that was previously used, and then you can remove it from your phone. Leave a like and subscribe.